On every construction site and factory floor in the country, the rhythm of work is dictated by a specific set of protocols. This unseen force establishes the boundaries for nearly every professional interaction in America. The stakes of this oversight go beyond administrative friction. Errors in compliance result in billions of dollars in fines, and more importantly, create direct risks to human life. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult official Department of Labor and OSHA sources for compliance and legal guidance. The Department of Labor serves as the structural blueprint that defines the modern American workplace. To understand why these rules exist, we have to look at the unregulated chaos of the Industrial Revolution. Without federal oversight, laborers, including children, were exposed to lethal machinery and grueling shifts. Early efforts were limited to simply gathering data on these conditions. That changed on March 4, 1913, when President William Howard Taft signed the Organic Act, elevating labor issues to a cabinet-level department. The mandate expanded rapidly in the 1930s under Secretary of Labor Francis Perkins. Through the Fair Labor Standards Act, the department began mandating a 40-hour workweek and a federal minimum wage. The agency's role shifted from a passive observer of labor conditions to the active architect of the nation's work-related prosperity. Today, the department manages over 180 federal laws across 11 million workplaces, covering a total workforce of 165 million people. Led by the Secretary of Labor and supported by a Deputy Secretary who manages the budget and modernization, this leadership coordinates over 25 specialized agencies. Each division handles a specific facet of the workforce, from employee benefits to international affairs. This entire bureaucratic apparatus is centrally managed from a single command center in Washington, D.C., the Francis Perkins Building. To address physical workplace safety, Congress created the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, in 1970. OSHA utilizes a dual-pronged approach. While they are known for rigorous enforcement and inspections, they also provide extensive compliance assistance and education to help employers control hazards. 7 years later, the Mine Safety and Health Administration, or MSHA, was established to oversee the unique dangers of the mining industry. MSHA operates under a much stricter inspection mandate. Unlike most industries, every active underground mine must be inspected 4 times a year, and every surface mine twice a year, regardless of its safety history. OSHA and MSHA form the twin pillars of the department's safety mandate, converting federal law into ground-level protection. Beyond physical safety, the department regulates the financial realities of the workforce through the Wage and Hour Division. This division polices the Fair Labor Standards Act, ensuring businesses adhere to minimum wage, overtime rules, and child labor protections. Supporting these regulatory efforts is the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The BLS serves as the objective fact-finding engine for the entire economy. Their data on employment and consumer prices are so influential that they directly impact the Federal Reserve's decisions on national interest rates. Through these agencies, the department measures and steers the broader macroeconomic health of the United States. For many employers, the most immediate encounter with this authority is a federal inspection. OSHA's inspection hierarchy prioritizes imminent danger, severe injuries, and formal complaints. During an inspection, officers evaluate the site and interview staff. Violations result in formal citations and penalties. Employers can then pay the fine and correct the hazard, or enter a formal appeals process. This structured legal process is designed to compel continuous compliance across every level of an organization. For safety and HR professionals, department compliance is a fundamental business strategy. There is a massive financial gap between reactive and proactive management. Proactive safety investments cost significantly less than the combined weight of severe injury fines and skyrocketing insurance premiums. These federal standards dictate how an organization builds its training matrix, manages whistleblower protections, and handles insurance liabilities. By utilizing resources like the department's free on-site consultation programs, the agency becomes a partner in risk management rather than just a punisher. As modern technology rapidly shifts the industrial landscape, the department is actively modernizing its approach to worker protection. Enforcement is becoming increasingly digital. MSHA, for instance, now utilizes drones during mine inspections to evaluate hazardous areas that were previously inaccessible. New regulatory targets are also emerging, with a focus on national heat stress rules and the complexities of integrating AI into hiring and management. The department continues to rapidly evolve, racing to match the staggering speed and technical sophistication of modern industry. The Department of Labor manages the delicate balance between the economic needs of business and the uncompromising protection of the individual worker. The Department of Labor shapes the daily reality of work for over 165 million Americans. Understanding its mechanics allows you to protect your people, maintain compliance, and lead with technical expertise. If you want to learn more about OSHA, workplace safety, labor laws, and professional development, subscribe today to the official HSE Study YouTube channel.